I am videotaping this deluge from the balcony of my apartment complex. It is September the 9th, what is today? September the 18th, 2019. It's just 2 years past Harvey. And we have a tropical storm dumping a bunch of water on us. And I've been praying all day for God to heal the memories from Harvey for those people that were tragically affected by that storm. And I'm asking God to protect people today from this storm. This is not as bad as Harvey. This should be gone by tomorrow. Nevertheless, you can see it is very bad, and the parking lot in my apartment complex is starting to flood.